I know what it's like to pour your heart and soul into a video only to feel like it didn't quite hit the mark or get the results you hoped for. So today I'm sharing some game-changing tips that will help you create videos that not only stand out but also get real results. And it's all based on some time-tested principles. By the way, these tips are also going to be amazing for other things, like writing proposals that close more deals for you. Welcome to Kraken Media, and whether you're creating marketing videos, tutorials, social content, or something else entirely, these tips will help you take your videos from to... I'm going to cover 7 top tips today that if you follow, you're guaranteed to get results. Let's dive in. Tip 1 is to start with a bang. Grab your viewers' attention right from the start. This is crucial because you only have a few seconds to hook them, so make sure you tell them what the value of your content is. What are they going to get from it? For example, if you're making a video on home workouts, you can start with something like, want to get fit without ever leaving your living room? Stick around because I'm about to show you how to turn your free space into a personal gym. Notice how this open immediately presents a problem and alludes to a solution. It creates curiosity and promises value, which makes viewers want to keep watching. Another great hook might be, here's a secret that top marketers don't want you to know. How to double your engagement in just 1 week. This kind of statement promises a significant value right off the bat, and as a bonus, also includes a vision of a tangible outcome, an outcome incredibly relevant to the viewers in this niche. Tip 2 is to make sure you are focusing on benefits and not features. The old adage for this one goes, sell the sizzle, not the steak. Your clients or customers want to know how your product will make their lives better, not just what it is. Instead of simply listing features, emphasize the benefits in as personal of an example as you can. For example, if you're promoting a new productivity app, rather than saying, this app has a built-in calendar and task manager, instead try, with this app, you can streamline your daily tasks, stay organized, and finally crush your to-do list without the stress. Highlighting benefits in this way shows customers exactly how your product will improve their lives. For instance, if you're demonstrating a cooking gadget, say, imagine whipping up a delicious meal in half the time it usually takes. This gadget makes cooking fast and easy, so you can spend more time enjoying your meal and less time preparing it. Tip 3, use clear, direct language. Keep your message simple and easy to understand. Avoid jargon and complex sentences at all costs. Now, I acknowledge that you might view the strategic deployment of advanced vocabulary and high-caliber linguistic constructs as emblematic of professional acumen and a hallmark of refined corporate eloquence. But I promise it's only you that thinks that. Remember, it doesn't matter how fancy your product is, you're still selling to people at the end of the day, and we all have monkey brains. So, keep it simple, stupid. If you're explaining how to use a new feature on a software program, instead of saying, the application interface provides a streamlined user experience through its intuitive navigational system, you can just say, I'll show you how to use this new feature so you can get your work done faster and easier. When your language is clear and direct, it makes your content more accessible and just far easier to digest. Tip 4, create a sense of urgency. To drive immediate action, create a sense of urgency in your video. If you're promoting a limited time offer, try saying, hurry, our exclusive sale ends tonight at midnight. Grab yours before it's gone. Urgency motivates viewers to act quickly. For example, if you're launching a new course, you might say something like, enroll now and get a free bonus guide. But act fast because this offer is only available for the next 24 hours. Tip 5, tell a story. People connect with stories. Instead of just presenting information, weave it into a narrative. For example, if you're sharing tips for improving productivity, start with a personal story. When I started working from home, I struggled with staying focused. But after trying these 3 strategies, my productivity skyrocketed and I found the perfect work-life balance. Let me show you how. Storytelling makes your content more engaging and memorable. If you're showcasing a product, share a customer success story. Sarah, she was overwhelmed trying to manage her small business until she started using our software. The opening of an epic story can also make for a great hook. Tip 6. End with a strong call to action. Don't ask, don't get. Simple as. So wrap up your videos with a clear, compelling CTA. Tell your viewers exactly what you want them to do next. For example, if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button and join our community for more tips on mastering home workouts. And don't forget to check out the link in the description for a free meal planning guide. This example is also mixing in the power of reciprocity by giving away value for free in the form of a meal plan. A strong CTA guides viewers on what to do next and helps you achieve your video's goals. For instance, if you're promoting a new product, say, click the link below to learn more and get an exclusive discount. Or if you're encouraging viewers to watch another video, you might say, check out our next video for even more tips on improving your social media strategy. Tip 7. Edit ruthlessly. Keep your videos focused and engaging by trimming out anything that doesn't serve your message. If it needs to be cut, cut it. If you're not sure, cut it. If you definitely need it, cut it anyway and see if it works without it. You will be surprised how much you can cut. For example, if you're making a tutorial, at least cut out any repetitive or off-topic segments. Aim for a tight, fast-paced video that just blasts your viewers with value from start to finish. Effective editing helps maintain attention and drives your point home. If you're demonstrating a recipe, remove any lengthy pauses or irrelevant details. For instance, instead of dragging out the introduction, get straight to the cooking process and keep your explanations concise. The goal is to keep your content engaging and to the point so viewers stay interested from start to finish. Alright, and that's a wrap. 7 tips to make your videos truly shine. Start with a bang, focus on the benefits, use clear language, create urgency, tell engaging stories, end with a strong CTA, and edit ruthlessly. Implement these strategies and you'll create videos or content that not only grabs attention but also drives real results. I'd love for you to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if this helped you today. And of course, any questions or tips of your own, hit me up in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. I'll see you next time.